Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your color on Google Keep application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change color on Google Keep, firstly open your Google Keep application. The home page of Google Keep will appear on the screen where your saved notes will be displayed. Open any one of your Google Keep notes by clicking on it. Tap on the color palette icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Choose any color or background you like by tapping on the color option. This is how you can change color on Google Keep quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.